Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove background from photo in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook, then go to the insert menu. Select the picture option, choose this device. Then choose picture from your device or file. Now I am select the flower image, click insert. Then resize the image. Now we want to remove the background, go to the format menu, click the remove background option. Then we can see here automatically selected the background of this flower image. Then we select keep change option. Now we can see we remove the flower background or any image background easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.